Did you do it? All right. Good morning, everyone. I'm Edmond. I'm very excited to share with you the app I built. You can see over there, it is an app for Homeric poetry, and it runs on an ancient Greek language parser that I wrote over the weekend. I like Homer, and I like reading Homer, but I speak English, so understanding the original Greek, how it sounds, the flow, the rhythm of the language was very hard for me, so I wanted to build an app that would show me what the syllables are and what the stresses, or rather the lengths of each syllable is. So we have an app here, and we can hammer the keyboard. We get English characters in the one, and then Greek in the other. That's very easy, kiddie stuff. But if we transliterate, for example, that is the first 7 lines of Homer's Iliad. We have Homeric poetry there on the screen. And if we want to try and read it in the original rhythm, we can toggle the Show Syllables button over here, and it will break the language down into the syllables that form the poetic line. And if we want to know the lengths of each syllable, we just toggle that button, and there we get the lengths. So like the first line would go something like me, nina, e, detea, something like that. The algorithm that actually builds the syllables is accurate to about 95% based on the tests I was able to run on the weekend, and I consulted with an expert. The algorithm to decide what is long and short is not as accurate. That's actually much harder to implement, and I didn't have time. So what I got to build, just the code, I'm very, very proud of it, actually. I have what is over here basically a recursive descent parser that goes through each line of the Greek text and builds syllables character by character. That's pretty much all the app is. I'm very, very satisfied with it. I hope it's maybe inspirational to you. Thank you for the time this morning. Bye.